Hey guys, welcome to Fresher Scam. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is Cisco Recruitment 2020 for UI software engineer position for BE, BTech, ME and MTech. Before moving on to the details of Cisco Recruitment, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation materials for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving further about Cisco recruitment. So Cisco is hiring fresher candidates from BE, BTech, MTech for the role of UI software engineering position. The detailed eligibility criteria and selection process for UI software engineer position is discussed in the website, so you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. About company. So Cisco commenced India operations in 1995. There are 7 sales offices in the region, which are in New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata and Hyderabad. Cisco Recruitment 2020 details. Job profile is UI software engineer. Company's name is Cisco. Company's location is Bangalore. Experience needed is 2 or more years. Degree needed is BE, BTech, ME and MTech. Then there comes the job description. So the team is made of highly talented engineers with passion for innovation who turn widely disruptive ideas into products that impact at large. They have built one of Cisco's next generation advanced threat detection system by combining cutting edge machine learning algorithms and architecture. So they are tackling a next challenge, and they are looking for agile, pragmatic and talented engineers with deep expertise and hands-on experience in cloud technologies and highly scalable infrastructure. So if technology and innovation is your passion, then Cisco is the place for you. Your roles and responsibilities. As a UI software engineer, you will be responsible for developing and maintaining a front-end data and data visualization platform. The role is for highly technical front-end engineers who can deal with complex and large data sets. Technology includes Stack, Python, Golang, as well as a wide range of internet tools built on top of Docker, Kubernetes, Kafka, Spark, etc. Desired qualifications. Degree in computer science or similar, 2 or more years of experience, experience in JavaScript, experience with modern JavaScript, experience with HTML, web services and reset, experience with preprocessor language such as SAS or less, experience writing automated tests, excellent English spoken and written skills, C2 level is a must. How to apply? So we have provided a link here. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website. So as you can see, this is the website for Cisco Careers, and they have also provided all the information regarding the job here also. You can also read it from here if you have any queries. Here is the option of apply, so you have to click on this. And now they're asking you to log in your account. So if you already have accounts on Cisco Careers website, then you can log in with your previous account details, or you have to click on register now and provide all the details for registering, and you have to create a new account. After creating an account, you can directly apply for Cisco recruitment. Moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details regarding the job and eligibility criteria, so you can also refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Link for Cisco Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. So thank you.